Hey friends, how are you? I decided I think I want to try something new and do more like day in the lives and vlogs and stuff. And kind of just have like more laid back videos. I've been inspired by a lot of other new YouTubers that I've been following, and I think that it would just be like a lot easier for me to upload more content and just like bring a lot more family oriented feel to the channel if I do. So I hope you enjoy it, and this weekend we have a lot of really fun things planned. Me and my husband are going to be doing some shopping, and we're going to do some early Christmas things, some decorating. My daughter's actually going on her first time trip to Disney. She's going on a cruise with her grandparents, so tomorrow we're going to be sending her off for that, which I'm super excited about, that she's going to be like able to go experience that, because I've never been to Disney before, and like it is on our bucket list, but but we're going to get there. So we have that going on, and then like I said, we're gonna do some shopping, and then also, since our older sister's going on a big like extravagant Disney trip, we're gonna be taking our little toddler, we're taking her to the zoo. And she's been one time before, but she was kind of little. Excuse me, I have gum on my thumb. So she was a little bit little, so like she didn't really remember. So she's been getting hyped up now for like the last 2 weeks about really going. She's really excited to see all the animals. So we're going to be taking her to the zoo and maybe to the apple orchard, and to get like a treat and some other like fun things like for her to do. So just come along. Ah, I promised you guys I would show you the nail polish that I bought. So here is the color I was talking about in my thrift store Family Dollar haul, and how I can absolutely fit back into my ring now. It doesn't fit like it did, but it's movable now, and I can fit it and get it on and off, so that's cool. Okay guys, so I originally did that other little intro like a little while ago. It's been a couple hours and my kids are asleep now, and everybody's like simmered down. My husband's on afternoons this week, so he's currently not home, so I'm waiting for him to arrive back. It is 11:30 because the house, it just gets out of hand. I'm exhausted right now, but I really need to get this cleaned up because I need to make a shopping list, because tomorrow we are going to do a grocery shopping haul. I need to clean my fridge out a little bit because it's a mess. Me and my husband are going to take our youngest daughter, Jordan. We're going to take her to the zoo. She is dying to go to the zoo and see the animals, and like we've been talking about it for a couple weeks, and she keeps asking like, well, oh, do they have a gorilla at the zoo? Do they have this at the zoo? And we're like, yes, they have everything. We're going to go see everything. So we're going to take her to the zoo. She, her grandma has her signed up at Barnes & Noble for like a birthday treat that she hasn't gotten yet, because her birthday was at the second week of the month. We actually did like a little video of her using her birthday gift and like her makeup and stuff that she wanted. I'll put an iCard right here if you want to check it out. It's so cute. But, so anyways, we're going to take her to get her birthday treat, and then we're also probably going to go swing by like a local apple, like an apple tree farm or whatever, to get like some fall cider and donuts and stuff. And then me and my husband are also going to go do like a mini fall decor shopping haul and get started on our Christmas shopping. We need to set some layaway items into motion because we need all the time we can get to cover Christmas, right? So let's get into this video. It's just going to be what I'm doing today. I'm going to be doing like my nighttime tidy up routine. And because I want to get more consistent with video uploads, I'm going to try to shift my main cleaning into nighttime before I go to bed. That way when I wake up in the morning, I have a clean slate and I can just get started with everything that I need to do. So let's get started. had to stop and charge my phone for a couple minutes. Filming and cleaning takes a little bit longer than cleaning on a regular basis, but I'm getting it done. I gave myself an hour to get everything done because tonight is our trash night. So I like to try to make sure that all the trashes are empty and the trash is out of the house so that it can go out in the morning. I'm really not consistent. Sometimes I do it in the morning, sometimes I do it at night throughout the day. Today just happens to be at night. But so now I'm going to go tidy up the bathroom. And really the bathroom's like the thing that stays the cleanest around here because it's so small. I think that I feel more inclined to keep it more tidy because I don't like clutter in there. So I'm just going to go clean up the counter and empty the trash. So I don't know how many of you old schoolers do it like this. I'm dying to get a new bathroom trash can, let me tell you, but I keep this one. I've had this one for probably almost a decade, to be honest. And I always use my leftover shopping bags from stores where I don't use my reusables. And I use those for my bathroom trash. And here's a hack I do. I just tie it up right here so it doesn't look like as crazy. So here's these areas that are all done, and for those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, just so you know, we are renovating our kitchen, and there's lots of things that are undone, like our counters and some other like last minute things that need to be done, so that's why they look janky. So it is now 12:30, so that was about exactly an hour that it took me to get everything done. Okay, so now I'm finally finished, and so I just sat down and I'm about to have some water because I'm always like hot and sweating after I get done with that hour, like that power hour. So I can't shake these nerves I have right now because my daughter's leaving tomorrow for like 8 days. She's never been away this long. She's going on a long trip without us. So like I was saying, I'm really excited, but I'm really nervous too. And I just, you know, I hope that nothing happens and that everybody stays safe and that they have a really good time. I wish I was going, but you know. So I'm actually going to sit down now and I'll show you in the next clip how I plan my shopping trip out. Well, not really necessarily plan it, but how I do my grocery list. I do it on my phone. Sometimes I do a paper copy, but most of the time when I'm thinking about it, I just jot down in my phone with this app, and I'll show you right here. So here's the app right here. It's called Google Keep, and you can make lots of notes. You can add like photos and all different things to this app. It's really cool. You should check it out. So here's how I do mine. And at the top, I always use these little brackets to break up if I'm going to different stores, so that way I can keep everything in like one little list. And this is really cool because it gives you like the food suggestions, and then at the end you can check the box here, and then it will keep it at the bottom of the list, and you can uncheck it and you can add it back to the list. So this is a great way to keep track of like your staples, so you don't have to keep like, you know, going over it. Because I do have quite a bit of things to get because we're really super low on like all the kids like snacks and things. And we're just gonna have a busy week ahead, so I want to be prepared. So thanks for watching this video. Let me know if there's anything else you would like to see, and like I said, I'm just gonna start doing a lot more like my husband's home. I'm just gonna start doing like a lot more day in the life and like a lot more vlogs, more chill stuff, like just everyday things. He's gonna be like, what the heck? So yeah, give this video a like, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.